Moto G22 launch date is expected to be on April 13, 2022. The mobile will be available in various of colors. The Moto G22 is a new budget-friendly handset from Motorola that joins the G series. Let's talk about the specification. Motorola's latest device features a 6.53-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of HD plus 720 x 1600 pixels. The display panel features a pixel density of 269 pixels per inch, a 20:9 aspect ratio, reduced bezels on all sides, and a water drop-shaped notch with a selfie camera. Under the hood, the handset is powered by an octa-core Helio G37 processor. The phone boasts 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage out of the box. The phone also supports microSD card, allowing for storage extension of up to 1 TB. The Moto G22 comes pre-installed with Android 12 with a stock UI. This phone has quad camera setup at the back, which consists of a 50 megapixels primary camera which has an f1.8 aperture, plus 8 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture, a 2 megapixels depth sensor with f2.4 aperture, and a 2 megapixels macro sensor with f2.4 aperture. On the front side, the device features a 16 megapixels wide-angle selfie camera that has f2.45 aperture. The phone comes with a 5000 mAh battery that is support fast charging. The features of this phone includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, face unlock support, dual SIM card support, 4G Volt, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5, GPS, a 3.5mm audio jack, a USB Type-C port, light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass and gyroscope. What do you think about this phone? Leave comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as well as press the bell icon for notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.